Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're here for the first time, I want you to hit the red subscription button below, thumbs up, turn on your notification bell. That way whenever I post a new video, you're going to get every update. So I want to make these tutorials. Okay, I had to you can make these tutorials the other way around, but I want to work with more of resourceful material. Okay, so today I want to make an acne facial soap, acne pimples. If you're having black eye circles, this is actually going to help you a whole lot. So without wasting your time, let me introduce to you guys what I'll be using to make this video. Okay, so here I'll be working with my salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. I'm going to tell you the uses of everything. So I'm working with my Azelaic acid. Okay, Azelaic acid. I'm working with my Care Brothers, the black spot removal face soap. Okay, I'll be working with my arrot powder. I'll be working with my clear soap. This is a glycerin soap. This is a clear soap. I'll be working with my eggshells. Okay, and then here I have egg white. So you saw the video how I'm going to show you how I made this. So this is a mixture. This is my Care Brother. Okay, I'm going to show you the video how I made this. So I had to shred my Care Brother soap into a container, the tiny pieces I want. So I had to extract the egg yolk, only the egg yolk, and mix with this Care Brother. I form it into this dough, tiny dough. So these I'll be using as my egg yolk. Okay, so here I have the egg yolk, just the egg yolk, and this Care Brother soap. Usually you're supposed to have used only egg yolk, but it's still fine. So this is a very good treatment for black spots. So that's why I'm working with my Care Brothers. Care Brother is very familiar. It's actually very good for the face to treat dark spots. So this is how I made this. So I have my my aloe vera and the mixture of these three powders. Okay, so let me let you know the uses of the powders I'm using here. So I'll talk about the egg yolk that I use, the mixture of my Care Brother and the egg yolk. Okay, the benefits of egg white on the face: it tones the skin. Egg white firms your skin by removing excess dirt, oil, and dead cells on your face. Remove unwanted facial hair, firm and shrink your pores, reduce puffiness under your eyes, get rid of blemishes. Okay, minimize oily skin, protect your face from the sun, eliminates blackheads. So that's the uses of the egg white. So let's talk about the uses of egg yolk on the face. Okay, egg yolk, this can improve the skin. This can improve the skin texture, be it dry or oily. Egg yolk are rich in fatty acids, which can lend moisture to the skin. A simple form of protein that helps tighten pores and also remove excessive oil. Okay, so as you can see, egg generally is actually nice. So let's talk about the benefits of salicylic acid on the face. Acid is actually nice for acne. Okay, you can use salicylic to reduce acne. Okay, so going to the Google to read out. This means that these things you can research yourself and see the uses of these things on your face. Okay, when applied to the skin, salicylic acid helps, in taking out dead skin on the top layer of the face, decreasing redness and swelling. Is actually nice for acne. Okay, so that's the use of salicylic. It's good for acne. Okay, so let's talk about azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is very good on the face. If you're having any facial blemishes, if you're having acne, oh my baby, if you're having acne and all that, hyperpigmentations, azelaic acid is actually very good on pimples. If you're having facial pimples, it's going to help sort it out. Bring her. It's going to help sort it out. It's going to help sort it out. So let's talk on arrowroot. The next thing is arrowroot. Okay, arrowroot absorb oil, okay, beautifies the skin, promotes natural healing, and also it penetrates deep into the skin. You know, when you rub it on your skin, it's going to help reduce oil, soften the skin, you know, and dry out blemishes. It's actually very nice on the face. Melt, when I had to melt the 3 powders separately and then pour them into one bowl. So this is my egg shell. I wash this eggshell with soap and then hot water, sterilize it with rubbing alcohol. You know how egg is, so this is properly washed. Okay, so in this bowl, after mixing my powder, I took 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera and mixing this. Soap, we'll be right back. So okay, I'm melting it now on double boiler. Here I have my pot that has hot water, so I'm going to take out the measurement. I'll divide it into 2 parts. Okay, it's divided into 2. So I'll let it settle down for a bit. I'll add my egg white. So I'll let it cool down a bit while I melt more of this bear soap. Okay, so I'm going to cut it more and then melt. The reason why I pour the first one, because I want it to cool down, so that if I put this soap in it, it's not going to stay under, it's not going to go to the eggshell. Okay, so I'm going to microwave this part and we'll be right back. These are that soap. Okay, I've measured this part, so I'm going to pour in the quantity I need. This is much. I won't be working with everything here. Please, if you have rubbing alcohol, you're going to have bubbles like this. So if you have your rubbing alcohol, you just put in the rubbing alcohol. So this is the egg white. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of this powder. Mix it. Please, you can use your hand mixer, please. I'm working with resourceful materials. I don't have so much at home, so please work with what you have. So I'm going to fill in the next part. Sorry, baby. Sorry, Zara, baby. use and refill some parts. So I'll let this cool down. Okay, we'll be right back. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm working with resourceful materials, okay, but the soap mold, okay, is sold. You can get the mold to make it quite easier. I've actually been waiting for the mold till now, and it's taking a lot of time to get to me. That's why I'm working with resourceful material, okay. So to make it easier for you, you can work with the mold. So this will take a little bit of time to peel out. Still peeling them out, okay. Doesn't really matter if everything is not peeled out, but I'm still peeling. This is the last one, okay. I'm going to peel it and try to wash out, but trust me, I'll try to clean it out, but trust me, as you're using it with water, everything will get so smooth. Okay, this is my first this is hi, this is my first time of using the eggshell as a resourceful materials. I was actually waiting to make this come out so superb. I've been waiting for my mold. It doesn't really matter the way it looks, okay, right now, because it's not going to look so smooth, because I need to crack and crack and crack, okay. What matters in here are the ingredients that is in this formula, okay. This is what you're going to use in making, you know, taking care of your face. I know they sell this egg soap out there, but the reason why I'm making this is because I need to know what I put into this soap for my face. I need to know the ingredients in it. I might not know what is in the ingredients that I sold out there. I need to make sure I'm putting the right ingredients to treat my pimples or acne or there whatsoever. Do you understand me? So that is why I'm making this tutorial for those that want to do this DIY by themselves at home. That way you're going to know what and what you're putting in your recipe to clear your acne or pimples. Do you understand me? So that is the essence of these tutorials, okay. Let me still peel the last one and then try cleaning out. Here I have my towel and water, okay. I'll use in cleaning out, okay. This is the leftover soap that I mold, that you guys remember, okay. This is my K brother and egg yolk. I didn't throw it away. I had to mold it. This is very firm. Can still use it as my facial soap. To have it very smooth, then you have to use your egg mold, okay. The egg mold is sold, okay. So it took me a whole lot of time to peel out, bring out the soap from the egg. It took me a whole lot of time, and the cleaning, as you can see, it lathers so well. So this is going to, I'm going to use on my face. So it lathers so well, okay. I'm still going to clean it. The more I use it in water, the more it's going to get so clean, okay. It lathers so well, so I'm going to use it this way. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials, okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my live video on Tuesday 10 a.m. Love you guys. Bye.